Fifth day, well here maybe it's nicer view. Fifth day drinking celery juice. Fifth morning. Cheers guys, I just woke up. Oh.
In a town full of fancy cars and crowded bars and supermodels, looks exactly the way it did inside my head when I dreamed about it. All the things I could live without, I need them now, cause they're all around me. Only thing that I can't afford is to lose myself trying to be somebody.
Good morning guys. Today it's been a week since last time I did a video about my health. I told you guys that I was diagnosed with the Hashimoto's thyroiditis and slightly high glucose in my blood. So what's been happening in the last week, I've been following, as I told you, medical medium protocol, which I'm drinking celery juice, fresh organic celery juice every single morning. Today is the day number 7. Then on the lunch, what I do, I actually have my diet like a regular, like always. I always ate healthy all my life. Here and there it's like pizza, but right now I'm avoiding any processed food possible. No sweets at all. No, not too much carbs. I do carbs, but not like every day. Then I eat a lot of vegetables, a lot of fruits, nuts. Not vegan, not vegetarian, but because of my low iron, my doctor suggested to eat meat, especially seafood. I love seafood really much. And so on the lunch, what I do, protocol is like this: in the morning, celery juice. On lunch, it's like kind of lime or lemon juice, not juice, water that you make yourself. You just cut a lime. How I do, I cut lime in half, squeeze it, and I just basically with the like this kind of amount, I don't know how much is that, like this is almost a liter, I believe, like more than half liter, just like this in this water, and drink it over the lunch. In the evening, I bought aloe vera plant. I don't know, I have aloe vera plant at home, but I use only for the skin. I don't know if I can take the aloe vera plant internally. But I bought from Whole Foods aloe vera plant, and I basically cut in the pieces. Like I make this kind of, I don't know, like 2 inches square from aloe vera. I like peel the skin and everything, and then in this same amount of water. This is actually from last night aloe vera. So I'm gonna have this. Actually, aloe vera, last night I tried for the first time, because in the evening you can drink either aloe vera water or cucumber juice. So for the 6 days I was drinking cucumber juice, and last night I'm like, I'm gonna try aloe vera plant, and this is when I try, it was like kind of making me feel nauseous. So I believe I will drink just like little by little, just to my body get used to, because I have never drank ever in my life aloe vera plant, and this is like a first time, like a natural juice made from the scratch that I made drinking. I have this one, but this is with a lot of sugar, and this I don't recommend if you guys want to treat your illness. This is sugar is 22, which is, wow, this is not me, somebody else is drinking in this house. Basically, yeah, my last video, people were asking, last video guys, you were asking about my blood results, so I'm gonna show you like quickly about my blood results. This time glucose is elevated. Normal is 65 to 99, and mine is 104, if you see it, which is not good. Then everything else is not so bad: potassium, sodium, protein, blah blah blah. It's a lot of blood results, not so bad. Some of them are a little bit off the normal range, but not like crazy. The craziest thing that I have is thyroid peroxidase antibodies. It's supposed to be no more than 9, and I have 61, guys, which is high, and you can tell that I have a Hashimoto's. I don't have very extremely high that I will be like about to die. No, that's not. This is just like really high, that is concerning me. In the beginning, when I got this blood test results, I started crying, because I thought just this is, you know, like day by day I get too used to that I have a Hashimoto's, and it's not gonna go away. I wanna show the T3 over here, T3 reverse, blah blah blah, is everything basically T3, T4. Cholesterol is a little bit low, but not that crazy. Hemoglobin is fine. Hemoglobin is a little bit low, but not that crazy. Magnesium is close to be very little. Phosphate uric acid is good. TCH normal is minus 1.5. Normal is kind of a little bit lower, but it's not that bad. It's still in norm. So T3, 4, as you see, guys, T3, 3 over here. Thyroxine, everything in, it's kind of to the lower side, but it's not bad. 6.7 minor. It's supposed to be like 11.9 between 5.1. Then it's 3 T4, 2.3 is not bad. T3, what is 4, T3, 3. Everything like beside that is not bad. I have here a lot of blood results. I haven't done vitamin D because my insurance didn't cover, but insulin is a little bit like towards the, I don't know, my doctor said it's a little bit higher, but not that crazy high. That is, but everything is a norm. So my doctor, okay, I'm gonna tell you how last week I actually went to a second opinion to listen endocrinologist, what he gonna say. He basically touched everything and he say, yeah, I feel your thyroid is a little bit off, you know, it's not normal. He say, I would like to do ultrasound. He did ultrasound because he was concerned maybe I'm gonna have cysts because it's a little bit bigger, especially on the right side over here. And they did ultrasound, everything is fine. My left side is very funny. My left side is normal actually of the thyroid, and the right side is kind of swollen and inflamed. But he say it looks clean. I see you have Hashimoto's, thyroiditis, and that's, you know, that's normal for that dysfunction of the thyroid. But basically there is no tumors because he say when it's a little bit swollen, I'm afraid that there might be a cyst or tumor or something like that. So my thyroid is completely clean. Nothing is happening, nothing is wrong. He asked, well, how do I eat? How do I sleep? How is my stress life? You know, do I have stressful like job and everything? I told him I have a business, skincare business that basically, you know, it's, of course I have stress, I have things to do, but this is like manageable, not like I will go crazy every day. I cannot do that. Wherever doctor, endocrinologist, he was very nice, he was very knowledgeable, but like always, it's very traditional medicine. He follow and he prescribed me. Do I have it here? He prescribed me. He gave me to try, see if you're gonna feel better. He prescribed me levothyroxine. Probably those with thyroid guys, you know what is that? This is hormone pills to make you feel better, to kind of loosen up of the job of thyroid so it doesn't overwork. But I'm not taking these pills, I'm just gonna throw away, and I haven't even opened the bottle, and I'm not gonna take that because I don't think I'm that bad. Because you should listen your body, what your body is telling you. I think this detox right now that I'm doing is the closest to me that makes me feel good. And yesterday I went to my holistic doctor. I visit him once like every 2-3 months. This was the 4th visit to him. I try to take everywhere information little by little. From this doctor, a little bit information. Maybe I'm gonna, you know, apply for my case. Maybe from this doctor a little bit. So from medical medium, thyroid healing, I think this protocol the closest to me. I might not agree with avoiding like eggs and stuff like this. There are scientific proof that people who eat eggs, they actually live not like longer, but they visit doctors less often than those who don't eat eggs. This is actually science. This has been scientifically proven. I kind of, you know, I'm trying not to avoid eggs completely, but I ate this morning omelette and I think I'm gonna like lower maybe, because makes sense, eggs have a lot of hormones and stuff like this, and I don't wanna, you know, hormones on the top of what's happening with my hormone to make a mess. And you know, holistic doctor actually told me that I have low cholesterol, not very low, but out of a little bit normal range. So he actually told me to take a little bit more oily kind of products, olive oil, eggs, and coconut oil. He say try to eat chicken or steak with a little bit where is the part of the fat, which makes sense. This is his recommendations for me, which is Then it's magnesium supplementation, then it's vitamin D plus K, cod liver oil, vitamin D, zinc intake. I'm taking vitamin D already. Iron protocols, he actually gave me which iron I should take. Digestive enzyme is very important if something in my body is not absorbing, because I'm eating really healthy all my life, but something is not absorbing, might be something is with pancreas or whatever. And then this is what is possibly what I have: low protein diet. I need a little bit increased protein in my diet, possibly immune deficiency, globulin monocytes. Elevated total globulin level is associated with hypochlorhydria, liver dysfunction, immune activation, oxidative stress, and inflammation. Yes, as I told you guys in the last video, that I might have Epstein-Barr virus, iron deficiency, dietary fat needs. So this is his, like, for me, a protocol. Then he actually gave me a list of magnesium food. You see how this person goes completely in the root cause, trying to find foods for me to focus more on, that I have this kind of deficiency in these microelements and vitamins. So for example, for magnesium, clams, a lot of spinach, greens, basil, kale, arugula, blah, 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 blah. Then is food of zinc, food sources of zinc: oysters, beef, crab, lobster, chicken leg. Zinc, it's a lot of animal. Then fat where I should get is coconut oil, palm oil, olive oil. Smoked various fat is cooking. A lot of like iron repletion protocol that I should take no less than 250 milligrams of vitamin C, ascorbic acid with betaine hydrochloric acid. Is another form of vitamin C, I believe. I'm taking vitamin C 1000 actually, and this is. He said that he was in some sort of like a workshop with the doctors from around the world that treat thyroid, and he said he got this plan from some very well-known doctor that heals thyroids, and he said just take a look. You don't have to apply everything, but just take a look. This protocol, what to eat, what supplements to take, and stuff like this. Mostly is diet, nutrition, and lifestyle. Then treatment for iron deficiency. This is what kind of iron is the best for Hashimoto's people. I actually was taking any random iron, but he said that this one of Proferin ES or Iron Smart from Amazon, you can get those, actually not cheap, but this he say is the best for thyroid. And he sending me to lab to test Epstein-Barr virus over here. Am I gonna go later today? So I just want to know, but there is possibility that test results not going to show that I have Epstein-Barr virus, because as medical medium in his book say that Epstein-Barr virus might not show up on your blood results because it's really deep in the tissue already, and it might not going to show. So immune balancing interventions, what should I use? Probiotic, how I should increase lifestyle, sleep, stress management, and macrocurrent rations, very low carb, low carb, moderate carb, that I should eat a little bit more carbs, because lately I've been not using carbs because of my yeast infection. But the good news that my yeast infection is pretty much gone for the last 3 weeks. I don't know if it's gonna come this month. Sometimes it comes, sometimes it goes. But some good news that my yeast infection is much, much less. Many people on Instagram been asking me if I can tell which juicer I'm using. All the links are going to be down below under this video, what juicer I'm using, where I'm buying the food, what is this, and stuff like this. Basically, all the recommendations from me, that what I'm doing today is going to be down below in this video. I wanted to say, guys, thank you so much for your support. I just woke up this morning looking no makeup, nothing. Like, I'm a real person. I don't want to, lately I'm not feeling well to dress up, makeup, and just like, I wanna, be with myself, be in my mind, be the way I feel the most comfortable. And I just feel good the way I am right now, and I know I need to be with myself a little bit. I need to think, I need to still do a lot of research. This is a lot of research that I am doing, and I will do for a long time. This is not gonna go away anywhere. I always gonna have this, but I can make to that level where I'm gonna be feeling good, and I'm not gonna feel that I have some issues. But I pretty much need to control my diet and my lifestyle, my stress level, for the rest of my life. So guys, I wanted to say thank you so much for supporting me. I know how much you support me. I got so many messages from you, how much you support me, how much you love me, for all the recommendations. Thank you so much. There is so many books that I have to read. There is so many videos that I have to watch about the thyroid and everything. I just want to tell you guys, from me, personal advice, please stress less in your life. You have to find a way how to control stress, because I believe this is #1 reason why I got sick. Diet, lifestyle, exercise, workout, yoga. I went a Saturday to meditation for 2 hours. It was amazing, beautiful people. Thank you so much to Yelena, who was instructor, teacher. Amazing. I felt so good after this class. I was like, wow, it's beautiful. Life is beautiful. I'm just overthinking everything, and everything is so beautiful. Actually, I'm appreciating that I live here in this beautiful world, that I have legs, I have arms, I have a face. I'm not looking very, ugly and taking care of my skin, and I'm not a piece of pen that doesn't do anything, It's just like I have a meaning in this life, and I want to bring this awareness and this kind of encourage people to be more calm, positive, relaxed, give gratitude to everybody, be thankful, appreciate what we have, because you only live one time in this beautiful world. I don't know, it's incarnation is a thing, but whatever it's happening today, it's happening today. I am happy. I know I'm gonna heal this thing, not maybe completely, but I'm gonna go to that level where I'm gonna be like, wow, today I can actually go and dance for 5 hours and don't give a shit about anything else in the world. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I see you in my next video for next update about my thyroid issue. Bye.
Crowded bars and supermodels. It's exactly the way it did inside my head when I dreamed about